Supreme Court saying no arrest for Nupur Talwar. Rhythm joining us with more on that. Rhythm.
Absolutely, what's happened, Deep, today is the Supreme Court has prima facie given some relief to Nupur Talwar at the time when she was looking for some sort of protection. This is coming because the Supreme Court bench had believed this was another matter they're going to hear. They have now said we are referring the matter to the Chief Justice's bench to put before another bench. But for now, they've also told the CBI, and they've questioned the CBI 7 times in this packed courtroom. They asked the CBI, do we have faith in you? Will you be arresting her? We have to protect her, and that's the crucial thing here. The CBI has been told for now. They have been asked for now to give some sort of protection. In fact, the CBI today admitted in court they were very aware of her movement since yesterday, but they had not arrested her. Today, all that's happened in the court, a short order has been made to be written down by the Supreme Court Chief Justice, who has gone ahead and said that this matter will now be referred to another bench. We believe this was another matter. It was a mistake made by us. But more importantly, the bench has asked several times to the CBI, we have faith in you. Will you be protecting her? Which really translates into the fact, for now, Nupur Talwar should not be facing arrest. It was something very clearly that was said in court. And that's the real question here. In fact, the senior advocates who represented her in court are Mr. Salve. He's with us. Sir, what really happened? You've got the relief you were looking for.
You were present in court. You heard what happened. That's all.
So you have got the relief you're looking for now. This means that she will not be getting arrested?
The relief I'm looking for is to finish my work and go home now.
Well, he's being candid there, but clearly the lawyers were present in full force. The top lawyer of the country, Mr. Harish Salve, who was representing her in court, has very clearly got the relief she's really looking for. She will not be arrested for now. The matter is going to be heard by the Chief Justice's bench at this point of time. As he was saying, there is some sort of a relief for Nupur Talwar. Remember, today she comes into court looking downcast. She's not really believing she'll get the relief, but like I said, she has got the relief. This matter will now be referred to another bench by the Chief Justice's court. For now, she will not be arrested. In fact, 7 times, like I said, the Supreme Court bench asked the judges whether, in fact, they would be giving her, the CBI, whether they would be having faith in her. The CBI did say that, yes, have faith in us. We knew about her movement since yesterday, but we didn't go and arrest her.